Want to hear 3 daily success habits that could move you towards more wealth and freedom in 2021? Well, a few years ago, I decided I wanted to quit my job and work from home. I wanted an online income so I could spend more time with my children. And 9 months later, it happened. I left work, walked out for the final time. And so these 3 habits are the things that I think can help you also have that big breakout success in 2021. So number 1 is to start each day by moving for 15 minutes. So getting some exercise, some fresh air maybe, and just getting some oxygen to the brain, go for a walk, do some yoga, or even just playing with your children, but something physical to get moving. Number 2 is to spend 5 minutes in the morning writing down what goals you want to accomplish each day. So being really specific about the results that you'll work on to achieve in that day. It doesn't take long, but by writing it down, it'll give you a much better chance of actually reaching those daily goals and in turn hitting the bigger life goals. And day 3 is spending 30 minutes a day that will be towards your online business, an online business that can give you financial freedom and security and a source of pride as you build your own venture up and start selling products online. And that's one of the things that will really make a difference to your future. When I started my online business, I had 20 minutes on the bus each way to work every day, and I just spent that time on my phone looking for products. So I can help you with that habit, the habit of number 3, starting up the new income stream, because I've been doing this myself, and I've set up a new online training that shares with you how you can find products and start selling them, because there's such a huge e-commerce boom happening right now through selling products on Amazon. Now, I can't help you with habits number 1 and 2, they're up to you to do, but I can help you with the 3rd habit, setting up a new income stream. I've recently released a new book about the hottest income product opportunities of 2021. It's all around selling in this huge e-commerce boom happening on Amazon right now. So many products are selling like hotcakes. So in the book, I'll share with you what kind of products are selling well, how you can source them, and what it takes to be a successful Amazon seller. So grab your copy of the book now.